But you had MicroStrategy in there, and it's now, you had an additional more than 2% of all Bitcoin that's out there. Right there, you have 5 players with serious concentration of the market. There's the ability for those players to make big swings in price.
Right, like is it better or worse for you for MicroStrategy to keep borrowing money and buying more Bitcoin?
Well, I think just focusing on the ETFs for a minute, it's important to remember that a vehicle like IBIT is a vehicle for lots of investors, right? So it's not BlackRock who's buying and selling. Truly, for ourselves, it's for our investors wherever they're creating or redeeming shares. So there's a wide diversification of who the end shareholders in IBIT are. You look at the 13F filings as one metric, 682 unique filers at the last quarterly mark reporting holding IBIT. That's a pretty broad investor base.
So should we look at the concentration of Bitcoin that MicroStrategy has differently than the concentration that an ETF from BlackRock has?
I think it is slightly different than the ETFs. But what's interesting is I can't recall one conversation with clients where a client was trying to decide between MSTR or IBIT, right? I think fundamentally it's just different investor bases. Of course, lots of clients are looking at the various ETFs and trying to decide which one to buy, but MSTR does not come up
One
with
feature of MicroStrategy is the leverage that's embedded into acquiring more Bitcoin. Is BlackRock sitting around thinking, hey, we need 2-3 times levered Bitcoin ETFs?
No, Bitcoin's got plenty of volatility without leverage.